How's it going? For number 12, we're going to use some impulse and momentum equations. One is going to be change in P, which is impulse. Honestly, I could probably just write impulse is equal to F times T. Momentum is equal to mv. Now, and then there's the combined equation, which is this, right? Now we're going to use the combined equation here because we're given the impulse. How are we given the impulse, you say? Because we have our force, which is 30 newtons. Oh, I haven't read the question out loud actually. Let me read that. A hockey puck has a mass of 0.112 kg and is at rest. A hockey player makes a shot, exerting a constant force of 30 newtons on the puck for 0.16 seconds. With what speed does it head toward the goal? So that's why I'm using these equations, because I'm trying to find speed and velocity. So we're given our force, 30 newtons, and multiply that by 0.16 according to the FT equation, and you get 4.8 as the impulse. Now, impulse and momentum, you have to understand, are basically the same thing. Impulse can also be written in kilograms times meters a second, or Newton times seconds. Like this is Newton times seconds. 4.8 Newton times seconds is equal to a mass 0.112 times v. I just do 4.8 divided by 0.112. And v is 42.86. So yeah, I mean, a lot of these like questions, they'll ask you a lot of like the impulse and momentum ones at least. They're basically the same thing. So as long as you remember this equation and remember that only one side of it is like the total momentum or the total impulse, then you're pretty much good. And your final velocity here for number 12 is 42.86 with my numbers. We get different numbers, you know the deal.